Africa is home to some of the world's most formidable and dangerous animals. Here are some of the top contenders. African elephant. While they may seem gentle, African elephants can be extremely dangerous, especially when provoked or defending their territory or young. African buffalo, also called the Cape buffalo. Known as one of the big five game animals, the African buffalo is responsible for killing more hunters in Africa than any other animal. They are unpredictable and can become aggressive if they feel threatened. Lion. Lions are apex predators and can be deadly, especially during hunts or when defending their pride. The leopard. Leopards are stealthy and powerful predators that can pose a threat to humans, especially in areas where their natural prey is scarce. Hippopotamus. Despite their seemingly docile appearance, hippos are responsible for more human deaths in Africa than any other large animal. They are highly territorial and can be extremely aggressive, especially when threatened or during mating season. Crocodile. African crocodiles, such as the Nile crocodile, are formidable predators that can attack humans who stray too close to the water. Rhino. Both black and white rhinoceros can be dangerous, particularly when they feel threatened. They have poor eyesight but can charge at high speeds when provoked. African rock python. One of Africa's largest snake species, African rock pythons are capable of killing and consuming large prey, including humans. The spotted hyena. Hyenas are powerful predators with strong jaws capable of crushing bone. They are known to scavenge as well as hunt, and they can be aggressive when defending their kills. African wild dog. While they typically avoid humans, African wild dogs can be aggressive if cornered or if their pack is threatened. These animals are part of the diverse ecosystem of Africa, and encounters with them require caution and respect for their habitats and behavior. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Deuces.